Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to wire in a trailer brake controller. This particular way is for a 2015 Chevy Silverado, but it's very similar to all other makes and models, and I'll show you how to tell that. This is a factory pigtail for my truck, and if you're wondering, there's the numbers for it. Of course, assembled in Mexico. Of course it is. Alright. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to figure out what each one of these wires do. Because even though the colors are basically the same, that's not exactly how they always hook up. So you're going to want to, you can always get the pigtail for your vehicle that plugs right into this. We are not going to do that. Hey guys, we're going to snip these off because I'm using the factory harness for my vehicle, not the plug and play. Alright. Now each one of these wires is labeled battery, brake, stop, and ground. These ones are labeled as well. Dark blue, brake out, which is going to go to this thick blue one because it's going to the trailer. Red green is battery, which is going to go to this black one. See how the colors don't match up? White blue is brake signal, which is going to go to this red one. See, it's a thinner wire. So it's going to go to your brake pedal. And then last but not least, black is going to go to ground. Okay? So we want to strip these. Strip them nicely. Okay, so we're going to use, let's see, some pink, 2 pinks, 2 blues. Okay? The pinks are going to go on the smaller wires. That's for that. Okay, we're going to crimp that on. Alright. We're going to crimp all these on real quick. Then I'll show you. This is super easy, guys. No need to pay a mechanic a bunch of money, even though I am a mechanic. I would personally probably charge $40 to install this. But a lot of shops are going to charge you an hour. $40 is not bad. Okay. Alright, now what we say? We gotta split these. I gotta clean this mess up. I also got a bunch of crap in here. It's got to go out to the garage today. Looks like shit in here. Yee. Alright. So we said the black was ground, which is going to go to this white one. Okay. We're going to go to that white one. Get our crimpers over here. Crimp the crap out of it. Now this black one I said was battery. Red green is battery. Red green is battery for the factory harness. I'm actually surprised my truck didn't come with, because it is an LT, I'm surprised it didn't come with the factory brake controller. I know I can buy it optional, but it's super expensive. And I thought blue actually went to blue. Dark blue breakout. And this goes to brakes. So yep. Dark blue gets breakout. And guys, I strongly encourage only using the highest quality connectors. They're not that expensive. You get them on Amazon. And last but not least, but we're going to double check it anyway. White blue brake signal. Stop. There we go. There we go. I'll show you guys how to plug it into the truck and how to zip tie it and all that fancy schmancy stuff. I usually use my blowtorch, but I am out of juice in it. I do have a heat gun that works pretty good, but again, just trying to do this quick. But that wraps up the video. I'm going to go ahead and finish shrinking these. Right, guys, you're going to want to remove this cover, which goes on here. Right here is where we're going to plug our plug into. Let's see if I can hold the camera and do that. I got it going in right. Okay. Now see, I just tucked this wire in. I already mounted it where I want it. Let's take our key. Make sure it's all good in the hood. Yep. She's working. She's working. I bought a cheap controller. I will have links in the description as to where you can get a cheap controller. If you're like me and you're just hauling your toys every once in a while, cheap controller would do you fine. But if you're doing it commercially or something, I'll have a link for a really good controller. I'll have a few links to some really decent controllers that I feel that is pretty nice. So I'll have cheap, then middle of the road, then big money wasted as third. So, but that concludes this video. I kept it short and sweet because it's really super simple. So we will see you in the next one. Redneck Garage out. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the links. Donate to the channel if you like my content. Helps me do a lot more videos. So thank you guys. Peace.